Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Woo! So today I'm going to post a PowerPoint video which will cover what every section from 7th up through 8th grade will need to work on today. I'm trying to make sure that every student is caught up for their assignments in ELA. So for 7th grade, these are our past due items. So hopefully you have already read and taken the quiz covering Three Brass Pennies and then Stopping by a Woods on an Evening by Frost. I know we covered that yesterday for some of the English classes and some of the English, but we didn't get a chance to do all of the classes. So this is what is currently past due, even though I'm not assigning late grades. I'm hopeful that you will have the chance and opportunity today or this weekend to work on getting caught up. And the current items for this week are Sympathy, that poem by Paul Laurence Dunbar. And then if you can begin the types of text, and then if you finish with that, there's no quiz for that. It's just reading. And be prepared to start your argumentative essay next week. We're going to be wrapping up all of these items this next week as well. And I'm trying to make sure that that we've had a chance to go over it with everybody. Oh, and for 8th grade, these are the past due items for you. So you should have already read and taken the quiz covering Barrio Boy. Remember, if you're having issues with that quiz, let me know. I'm taking that just for a participation grade. And then there was a new ZLA article on quiz and quiz on intersectionality. Really, I just want you to read that article that they've included there for you, and then see how you do on their quizzes. And then the current items that are due for 8th grade is please finish up Caged Bird Sings. Begin reading Frederick Douglass. I've already started reading that myself. Read ahead if you are able. And for those of you in 8th grade, if you are past the Frederick Douglass assignment, then you are welcome to start looking into your memoir. And I have additional information about that, but it might be a good idea to go ahead and read ahead and start looking into the memoir activity. All right, so please email me with any concerns that you have. Have a nice, relaxing weekend. And this is just an additional how to get into your content. I know a couple of students are new to GADCA, so I wanted to make sure that I had this on here as well. So once again, if you need me for anything, please reach out, get in touch. My email is eyout@gadka.org. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.